These iSYFIX reflective fire extinguisher signs use bright red graphics on a white background, so the extinguisher location stands out clearly even in a cluttered hallway or storage area. The aluminum plates feel solid and do not flex easily, giving the impression that they will hold up for many years in busy commercial spaces. A laminated surface with ultraviolet protection helps the print resist fading, scratching, and moisture, making the signs suitable for both indoor corridors and outdoor wall mounts. The reflective finish is highly effective when hit by headlights or emergency lighting, which makes the extinguisher much easier to spot during a nighttime power outage or smoky situation. Pre-punched mounting holes make installation straightforward on metal, wood, or concrete using common fasteners, so maintenance staff can put several signs up quickly without special tools. Getting a pack of 10 matching signs makes it simple to mark every extinguisher consistently across offices, schools, warehouses, or home workshops.